Hello everyone, this is Mr. Olson. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Revolve tool in Autodesk Inventor. To save us some time, I went ahead and drew just a random sketch to kind of show you what the Revolve tool is all about. So since I've already done my sketch, I'm just going to go ahead and hit Finish Sketch in my ribbon. I'm going to go over to my view cube and click on the house so I can see my whole image again. So basically what you're looking at is a rectangle here, and then I have some circles that have been cut out in that rectangle. Okay, so the Revolve tool is located over here, and the idea of the Revolve tool is it's going to create a feature or body by revolving around an axis. Okay, so in other words, I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it into a circle to get some kind of shape that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Revolve tool, and some of the options that you get I'm going to show you in just a second. So the profile is what you want to be revolved. So you'll notice that it's already selected my profile. It's shaded blue right here. That's the part of the shape I'm going to revolve. Now the next thing I have to do in order to get this to work is clicking on the axis tool located right here. Once I do, I'm going to say I want to revolve this shape around a certain axis. So the axis I want to revolve around is this line right here. Once I click on that, it's going to revolve fully around that axis. So you're going to see the shape that it makes. It's going to be a cylinder that has a little bit of those circles cut out there. Now this is a full rotation around. If you don't want a full rotation, you can actually change that over here under Extents, and I can actually change that to an angle, which is really nice. So when I click on angle, it's going to default to 90 degrees. So it is now revolved around that axis at 90 degrees. You can see that 90-degree angle right here. Now if I want it at 180, I can see what that looks like at 270. And then 360 is that full extent again. So I can actually choose what I want to revolve around. Now when I hit OK, my revolve is done, and that's the image that I have now after the revolution.